So we took the metro and got off at the Trocadero station. We wanted to come out and see the lights, the Eiffel Tower, blinking every 10 minutes. It goes into a blinking frenzy, and we wanted to come out and see that. It's a festive atmosphere here. A lot of people trying to sell their stuff. Lots of blinking Eiffel Towers there around the corner. You got a whole bunch of people waiting here to watch the Eiffel Tower blink. It's kind of chilly. We've got some hot chocolate, some waffles, and I guess the Eiffel Tower only lights up every hour, so we're waiting for 10 o'clock to roll around. You can see the moon, and that must be Venus up there, lighting up the night sky. There it is, lighting up, sparkling. The Eiffel Tower. Nice and exciting time. We waited 45 minutes to watch this happen. I guess it sparkles for about 10 minutes.